this video, we will see how YouTube Studio upload new video tool works. It is far better than the classic version as all other utilities and functions to promote YouTube channel and YouTube video, YouTube playlists, YouTube cards, YouTube tags, YouTube end screen, and YouTube captions are all lined up as tabs under YouTube video upload section in the same page. You can set up each promotional and utility function before publishing the video to your channel. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe and click bell icon to get updates when new content is added. So let's get started with the process. In this video, we will go through the main tools to promote. Log into your YouTube account and click YouTube profile icon. You need to go to YouTube Studio page to use YouTube Studio's new upload tool. Next, click YouTube video upload icon in the top right of the Studio page. Next, click upload new video tool. Next, click select file button to select a video from your computer to upload the video to your YouTube channel. Next, you can edit your title of the video in the title section. Next, write a brief description for the uploaded video. Next, enter hashtags that's relatable to the video topic in the description section. Your video can be found when viewers search for videos of similar topic. Next, you can either choose from these default thumbnail images or upload a suitable thumbnail for your video that's attractive and relatable to the video topic under Thumbnail section. Next, click Advanced Settings tab to view more tools to promote your video. Next, add your video to existing one or more playlist, or you can create a new playlist and add the video to it. Next, click YouTube Cards section to add interactive YouTube cards to promote your other videos and playlists or others' YouTube channel, or create a poll on your video topic to promote and drive traffic to your website. Next, click Tag section to add keyword-filled tags for your video to be ranked and found when searched. Next, click End Screen section to add your YouTube videos, playlist, or your YouTube channel or your website to drive traffic to it. Next, click Languages and Subtitles. You can click Upload Subtitles /CC link and upload caption file for the video here. And next, click the Next button to continue. Here, you can select either Public to publish the video now, or make the video private to be visible to you, or save it as unlisted to be visible to only those whom you share the video link to. Finally, click Done button to upload the video. The video is on YouTube channel. Here, we have the option of adding the embedded code to your website or blog, or you can share it to social media sites, or you can copy link and send it an email to your friends or promote with the video. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Like, comment and share video if you found it helpful. Thank you.